So for my compare to contrast, I'm going to do two um two paintings from two different collections. My first collection is going to be surrealism, and the other collection is going to be expressionist. Um, my first painting is the persistence of memory, and my other painting is going to be the old guitarist. One's by Pablo Picasso, and the other is by Salvador Dali. So the persistence of memory is actually a very, very famous painting. Um, Salvador actually was taking things that we see every day and putting them in a form of which we don't see them in at all. So with these clocks, he is taking the clocks and he is basically melting the clocks to where um, they're just drooping on each side like a clock would. And for him to be able to do that, he has to have really hard lines. So, like you see on the edge of the table, he has a really hard line going straight down there to make the um, look of the clock droop from one side and the other. Same with the tree, a hard line going straight across on that tree branch to make it look like the clock is like falling on each side. When we come down to the old guitarist, this is more of a he does have hard lines like in the guitar and stuff. A lot of the other parts um of the painting is more just fluent and patterns and stuff. Um, but what I was gonna say about this one is if you look at this and just look at it for a little bit, the expression that comes to you, um, this packs a punch with it more so than the persistence of memory. The old guitarist, you look at the man, you can tell he's old, you can tell he's not doing well. Um, it kind of makes you sad. It puts a sadder feeling. It also has very dark color, which also makes you feel sadder. I mean, that goes together, the dark coloring and the sadness. Whereas you look at the persistence of memory and it's very bright, vibrant, everything. There's nothing really sad about it. It's just very bright, you know? Um, you're also not going to look at the persistence of memory and get what I would say, a feeling. Like you're not going to be happy or sad. Like you're just going to look at it and be kind of like trying to figure out what you're supposed to be seeing out of it, basically. You're not really looking at it and like, oh, that's sad. Oh, that's so cute or that. So that's the big difference between these, like the emotion that goes between them.